So thank you for all the guests to attending today. I would not take much time. Rather, I would like to hand over the mic to our advisor, Honorable Advisor Pritikana Shikdar ma'am, to give us some speech, welcoming speech to the guests. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Secretary Nadia Islam. A very hearty congratulations to the Jahangirnagar University Law Society Writing Club team for arranging this launching ceremony of the half-yearly bulletin of December 2020. My heartiest gratitude goes to Mr. Taposh Kumar Das, the Associate Professor from Department of Law and Justice, Jahangirnagar University, and who is also acting as the chairperson of this department. He has graced us as the president of Jahangirnagar University Law Society's position, and we are thankful to his support throughout our adventures. I'm also very glad to welcome Mohammad Pijuar Hussain, a senior lecturer from East West University, Department of Law, and his contribution will be very much remembered throughout the club. And also a great thanks to Ms. Noreen Rahim, coordinator of the Center for the Study of Genocide and Justice, and I am very glad to see her today among us. Hearty congratulations also to Ms. Nasrin Sultana, Senior Protection Assistant of UNHCR. We are welcoming you to our club's little event. While I say that this club's event is quite little, I would also like to point out how big it is for us as a very small team. In today's world, we are all seeing difficulties all around us. However, among all the problems and all the grief, this is a moment of celebration and also a moment of gratitude for us. I have still the very vivid memory of the first club meeting I had called of the Jahangirnagar University Law Society Writing Club. When I had seen all the students appearing from the very different departments and of the very different parts of our department, I did not really expect this whole endeavor to go so far. Actually, while we are setting up the goals of the club, I thought I was being a highly optimistic person. I wondered if all the goals and the aims that we have taken up of publishing a law review, of publishing half-yearly bulletins, that is twice a publication in a year, and also taking up many steps to organize other events. I thought that some might be possible and some might not be possible for us. But today, when at the end of that same year, I look back, I find myself to be quite astonished and puzzled as well. How did all these people who did not have access to departmental resources physically managed to manage themselves to be entirely accommodated in the online environment, kept their communication intact among the whole team, recruited new general members to make sure that the activities become more resilient, and after publishing one issue of the half-yearly bulletin, they have now taken this step to uncover the second half-yearly bulletin of the year. And also the process for publication of our annual law review is under process, and we are hoping that we will be very successful on that part as well, because there are many responses that we are getting from the legal academia and also from the practicing lawyers as well. While I am very happy to express my love for the team who have actually gathered by themselves and asked for very little guidance, and they have planned and proposed and innovated new ways to hone their supreme skill of writing. I am also encouraged by seeing the support from all the people who are currently studying law, who are interested in law, who are teaching law, and who are very much interested to write in legal subjects. It is one reason why I have actually termed the skill of writing as the supreme skill, because I have come across this belief that when we write better, we actually become better persons. Because writing is the only skill that expresses us and makes our expressions last longer. It can also give us immortality. So when we are trying to become better persons, we should also try to become better writers. I hope that all the students of law, not only within the Jahangirnagar University, but within the world, will be making sure that their skills of writing are developed and very much in tune with the modern needs of the world. I really do not think we need to appreciate the courage of the team any further because of their steps taken during these very difficult times. But I really understand what makes them so much enthusiastic into taking these steps. And it is the responses from the people who really want to read new papers, who want to get new knowledge, and who want to make sure that their writings are impeccable and perfect. I welcome all of you to today's launching ceremony, and I hope to listen and learn from all of you in all the next adventures of us. Thank you.